Okay, we'll start with the AC current. So there is certain things are there. First, put a heading now. Instantaneous value of current and voltage. Instantaneous value of current and voltage. We have already studied that. Okay, instantaneous value of current or a voltage. So in a AC generator, you already seen these things. Yes or no? So what is the idea? The value of current or voltage in AC circuit at any instant of time is called instantaneous value. What do you call this one? Instantaneous value. So instantaneous value of the current will be written as I is equal to I naught into sin omega t, or else what is it I can write? I is equal to I naught into omega t plus pi. Pi is called as a phase. Okay. And the second one is instantaneous voltage, which is equal to E is equal to E naught sin omega t. Again, this is also some phase. Phase is nothing but a leading or lagging, we can see. Yes or no? So leading or you can say lagging, we will try to learn with help of phase. Okay. The graph you know already we drew. This comes from AC generator, remember? So E naught is actually, what is the E naught, buddy? NBA omega, or else it is a peak value. Peak value of EMF. Then draw the figure also, because this is important. What do you call this one? This diagram, what do you call? We have already studied it as a phasor diagram. Means EMF versus current. EMF or a current. This is, what is this one? EMF or a current. And this side is, what is it here? TR omega t. I'll write the axis also. This is omega t, or else we can write it as a theta, this direction. And this is a EMF over R, the total current, means instantaneous current. What is this one here? Instantaneous current or instantaneous EMF in the vertical axis. In the horizontal axis, omega t or theta. Right? Is it done? Okay. So this is actually positive half cycle, and this one is, what is that here? Negative half cycle. So every time what is happening here, the EMF is actually changing. Every time the EMF value will be different. Sometimes EMF value will be positive. Positive in the sense we can say forward. Can I say forward? Positive cycle is forward, let's consider. And you stand up, buddy. What, drunk? Hmm? This is a reverse. This cycle will be, what is that here? Reverse cycle. What, Jagadeep? Physics class la how can you sleep, Ray? Before this, which class you had? English la you can sleep, but physics la how can you sleep? Huh? Night batting, huh? Hmm? Morning study, huh? Oh, that's why the batteries are down. Huh? Okay, sit. Stand. Right, Jagadi? Sleeping mind class. Huh? You- After you, this fellow. I was teaching skin effect, he was sleeping. Huh? How would I teach him? Is there any method you have? Please tell me. I'll teach like that. It's like dose amma dose that song I'm singing, right? Idiot. Hmm? Sit down, buddy. Sit down. Sit down. You are simply sleeping like this, putting hand in front of it like aparichita. Idiot. Shall we start, buddy? Okay. Shall I move on? Which means the curve indicates what is at. EMF value will be little bit different every time. But one time what happens here? It will be maximum. Am I correct? At one particular position la, it will be maximum. In forward also, one time it will be maximum. Then it will reduce. Then you see in reverse condition also what is it here? At one particular time it will be maximum, reverse condition. This we say, what is this range? Negative EMF we say, a negative peak value, this is a positive peak value. Peak values will be two, peak values are possible. Yesterday we had one question, do you remember that? Yes or no? How many times you will get it to maximum EMF? Two times you will get a maximum EMF. In a one cycle, one time in forward you will get it a maximum EMF. In a reverse cycle also one time you will get a maximum EMF. Got it? Clear? So in a how many times? Two times. Means in a one cycle how many times? Two times. Clear? Revolution. Two times. One time is forward, one time is back. Shall I move on, buddy? Next, listen. Next we have here the amplitude of AC. What is this one, buddy? Amplitude of AC. Amplitude means what is it here? Maximum value, which is a peak value we can call it, which is I naught, or else I can say IM. Right? Maximum AC na, even for the amplitude of AC also same, or alternating EMF also same. Alternating EMF is also what can I write here? E naught. Right? Here current is what is it here? We can define that. It's a maximum value of AC. The value of AC becomes maximum twice in a cycle. Did I mention this one already? Yes or no? Similarly, this also same here. What is it here? The value of EMF becomes maximum twice in a cycle, in one cycle. Got it here? So EMF also changes twice. Alternating current also changes how many times here? Twice. Clear? You write down that point. Write properly. I'll ask all the definition tomorrow. Okay? Then he'll take a leave because I got ulcers. Waste fellow, if you have a ulcer, why are you eating that spicy food and all? Again, studying for doctor studies. Idiot. Shall we, buddy? Okay. Array, these values are very important. Whenever you integrate, this is called a integration. Basically, this integration part, buddy. This is very important thing we need to learn for a math. How many of you math students here? Math. Everyone is math, right? So math la integration concept it is there. So now, if I want to find an average function, average value of current, average value of EMF, something like that. Yes or no? Average is also known as what is it here? Mean. Not eating mean. It is a mean. Okay. Mean means he is thinking about fish fry. Idiot. Are you veg or non-veg? Very good. Okay, this is f average means any function bole to the here we don't have any functions buddy, we have only two functions, either it can be a current, either it can be a EMF. Aisa no? Either it can be alternating current or alternating EMF. Now if I want to write a average function na anything, now f average is equal to what is it here? This is a function buddy. What is this one here? F of t we can write it, which is a function of f average. So 0 to t means you are integrating 0 to t, ft into dt. So if you integrate a total t means what is it, you will get it here 1 by t only, no? Yes or no? Right? So f into t, there are certain things you have to remember here. Now what is it now? This symbols are indicating. For example, if I show you integration of 0 to t, okay, sine square omega t if I have it, sine square omega t dt if I have, then what is the answer? I can simply write 1 by t. After integration, what you will get it here? Half. And you know already omega means we know already 2 pi divided by what is that here? Time period. So if you apply this thing, this is the answer. Next second one same way, integration of 0 to t. What is it here? Cos square omega t dt if I do it. Then also what is the answer? I will get it here 1 by t. Next other function also there. This is important. In upcoming days it will come. Integration of 0 to t means total cycle. What is the answer now? Sine 2 omega t if I integrate, I will get it what is it here? 0. Same way for the cos also. Are you getting my point? So it is a 0 to t and cos 2 omega t dt value is also 0. Please instead of writing like this you can write like this. Okay, right? Note down, these relations are important. Next I am going to deal with those things only. Yes or no? Then Shivadarshini. There is one more Darshini. Where is that? Where is she? Darshini, Deva Darshini, Raghavarshini. Is it done, buddy? Is it done? Any difficulty? Any difficulty? No, right? Shall I move on? Okay. So this relation important. If I am doing integration sine square omega t dt, there is star romance. Then what is the answer? I will get it here 1 by 2. Cos square omega t also what is it? I will get it 1 by 2. Sin 2 omega t dt will be what is it here? 0. Cos 2 omega t what is the answer here? Dt. Clear? Huh? Shall I move on? Okay. Now put a heading here. Average value of alternating current. Average value of alternating current. So average value of alternating current, you see the value of current at any instant is what is it? I is equal to I naught sin omega t. What is it resemble like? Yes or no? I is the function of what is it here? T or not? I is a function of T or not? Yes or no? The I average formula you know, right? I average is equal to, just now we studied, 0 to T, I into T. What is this I? I is the function of time. Right? Then integration of 0 to T dt. Right? What is I here? I is nothing but I naught sine omega t dt. 0 to 2 I will try to do it. Then what happens now? If I try to do integration 0 to T sine omega t, what it will become? Integration of 2 omega t, integration of, you see, remember, integration of 0 to t sine of n times, yes or no, n times omega t dt also, what is that here? It will be equal to 0. What is this here? N times omega t dt is also 0, means sine 2 omega t 0, sine 3 omega t 0. Yes or no? What is this n indicates here? Number of cycles. Yes or no, right? So if I try to integrate here sine omega t, what happens here? It will become a 0. Yes or no? Simple. Here example I'll write integration of 0 to t sine of, what is that here? Omega t dt, what is this one? 0. Integration of 0 to t sine of 2 omega t dt. What is the answer I'll get it here? 0. Integration of 0 to t sine 3 omega t dt. What happens now? 0. Yes or no? Chalo, note down. These are the important points. Please remember. Over a full cycle, a sine function will become 0. What is the omega there? Angular velocity. Yes or no? Of whom? The coil rotating in a AC generator. Right? Anubrinta finished. Gazing somewhere. What do you say? Gorging? Gauge pressure. Shall I move forward? Ayyo, this Jagadip is again sleeping, man. Local brand effect. All effect is local brand. What you had yesterday? Dosa. That's a natural alcohol. Oh, Navish came? Very good.
Came father, mother.
What is the date? 2, right?
2, 2, 7.
How many signs you make now?
Hmm?
How many? Everybody me only. Yeah?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನೇತ್ರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀನೇನು ಸಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ
No issue, no issue. Shall we? Yo, Havla fellow. Luxury, everything. What, buddy? What is it? Periodic test portion 4, 5, 6. For half cycle, please write down. For half cycle, what happens? For half cycle, okay. For a full cycle, you cannot have an average. So this is a average for a half cycle. I average for half cycle, which is 0 to t by 2 I dt, I naught sin omega t dt, and this is, if you integrate, the answer will be, what is it here? 2 I naught pi. Now 2 by pi means how much here? 0.636 percentage. Means average is how much here? 63.7 percentage of peak value. Note down. Similarly, EMF average is also same thing. Shini 88. Very good. Nowadays you started studying how? Want to become doctor? Huh? Legend. So what is the EMF? You will get it in a half cycle, buddy. In a half cycle, this much average means mean value will get it. Average or mean are same only. Okay. I mean also I can write it, and this is also clear. So last year there is one small question, very simple question they asked. Okay. Now what happened here? If you see the note, I told you that average value of AC for a whole cycle, what happens, buddy? It will be 0. Am I correct? We have seen already previous slide. The average value will become 0. So if I integrate for a whole cycle, what happens? It will be 0. Similarly, EMF value also becomes 0 only. Yes or no? So here, that is very important for an average value. What is the question they asked now? Second slide I will show you. Did you finish it? Shall I move on? Now this was the question they asked. Okay, they asked, this was the question they asked. What is that now? You see, if I check between A and B also, now here to here, if I try to check now, then also what is that here? The between A and B, the I average will become 0. Means this is A is a maximum point here, and here also what is that here? B is also maximum point. So between maximum to maximum, what is that here? Average value will be what is that here? 0. Yes or no? So this would be forward EMF, this would be what is it here? Reverse EMF. So if I try to take now, what is it here? So for example, if I try to take I average, I want to take it. So at A, what is this here? Maximum was I naught. And downside, what is it here? Minus I naught divided by 2. So total answer will be what is it here? 0. Clear? Huh? And similarly, E average also what is it here? Same thing. Plus E naught minus E naught divided by 2. So average value between A and B, what is it here? It will become 0 like this. Maximum to maximum also what is it here? 0 only. Okay, shall we? Then. But before that, we'll write a definition of average current. Write down definition. Current or a EMF. What is it now? Okay, it's like comparison. Okay, average will be followed for a direct current. Average will not follow for the AC current, but it will not follow. Okay, so write down what is it now? So the value of charge, the value of charge sent by DC, DC बोले तो what is a DC? Direct current. In a half cycle is equivalent to the amount of, sorry, not half cycle, because for this one there is no cycle, buddy. There is no cycle. So I know it won't change with the time. I told you already. The value of charge sent by DC is equivalent to the amount of charge sent by AC in a half cycle. Na half cycle. Are you clear now? I wrote it wrong, but I made it in a clear version that now the value of charge, means the charge Q, is sent by DC is equivalent to, what is it? Equivalent to the amount of the charge sent by AC in a half cycle. Full cycle though you cannot define. Yes or no? In a full cycle will you define a? Because full cycle any of it becomes 0. Only in a half cycle we can define for it. Is it clear? Any difficulty? Any difficulty? No, no difficulty. Clear? Right? Huh? Is it time over? Okay, by seeing your face itself I can say. Okay buddy, thank you. See you then.